Hello everyone, welcome. Today we want to talk about the risk to reward ratio, which is risk management in forex trading. We want to see why it's very important and how it can affect the trading. So the risk to reward ratio is basically how far your stop loss and take profit is from your opening price. So let's say I want to take a long order on this trade. I want to buy USD JPY and I buy USD JPY and I buy USD JPY. If I buy USD JPY, the risk to reward ratio now would mean that okay, let me just put my stop loss and take profit so that I can explain it. Now I have taken a long position on this trade. If my stop loss is say 30 pips below the opening price and 30 pips above the opening price, this means that I am using a 1:1 risk to reward ratio. But if my take profit is, say, let's say 90 pips above the, if my take profit is, say, 90 pips above the opening price, it means I'm using a 1:3 risk to reward ratio, because my stop loss is just 30 pips below the opening price and my take profit is 90 pips above the opening price. So 30 to 90 is 3. So 1:3 risk to reward ratio. And that is what risk to reward means. The distance between the stop loss from the opening price is the risk, and the reward is the distance between the take profit and the opening price. And why is this important? If I'm using a 1:3 risk to reward ratio, for instance, let me show you how it will appear on the chart. It means that here, it means that the distance between my stop loss is just, see, the distance between my stop loss is just 1/3 of the distance between the price and the take profit. So assuming I open 5 trades and I lose 3, I still win, because it will mean I'm losing 1. Since I'm using a risk of 1, I'm losing 3. I'm having 3 losses. But if I just win 2 out of 5, I'm using a reward of 3, it means I have 3 by 3 times 2, which is 6 rewards. So 6 minus 3 losses is still 3. I have 3 wins. So you see the importance of risk to reward ratio. It is very important in forex. It helps you to be able to maximize your gains. So the risk to reward ratio is a very important factor in forex trading. As it is now, you can see that I maximize my gains by using a risk to reward ratio. I have about say 6 trades open on this account. Even if I lose 3, even if I lose 4, I still win, because I'm using a good risk to reward ratio. So that is one important factor in forex trading. It helps to minimize losses, and at the end of the day, or at the end of the trading week, you still have wins.